I have a lawnmower which is not starting. There could be multiple issues, either carburetor, clogged fuel filter, defective spark plug, defective recoil starter, loose lever cable. I have already replaced spark plug but still lawnmower is not working. This is the place where I replaced the spark plug. I notice when I engage handle lever cable it seems very loose. I am engaging handle lever and can see there is not a lot of movement on this cable. It is a very easy fix. All I need to do is to lose this clip. There is a clip on both sides. You can lose from this end and the other end as well. I am only losing from this side. If lawnmower start, then I am not going to touch the other end of the cable. You can notice this metal thing start to appear. It should be enough. I will give a try to start a lawnmower now. It turned on and when I lose the handle, it turned off. If you like the video, give a thumbs up.